Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 steps that can change your life. Number 1. Inbox Zero Shortcuts. Inbox Zero is not about keeping your inbox empty all the time, but about keeping it under control so emails don't control you. The core idea is to make quick decisions about each message instead of letting them pile up. When you reduce the clutter, your mind feels lighter, your workflow speeds up, and you stop dreading opening your inbox. The real benefit is not just an organized email space, but a calmer headspace where communication feels manageable rather than overwhelming. Number 2. Managing phone notifications. Phone notifications are designed to grab attention, but they often fragment focus and drain mental energy. By controlling them, you shift the balance from your phone, deciding your time to you staying in control. A quieter phone means fewer interruptions, deeper focus, and more mental clarity throughout the day. It also improves your relationship with your device. You start using it with intention, instead of reacting to constant pings. The result is more peace, less anxiety, and stronger attention span. Number 3. Cutting social media time. Social media is built to keep you scrolling, but cutting down your usage gives you back time, energy, and mental space. The goal isn't to delete it completely, but to limit it in a way that serves you instead of distracting you. With less screen time, you notice more presence in your real life, deeper conversations, and stronger focus on meaningful work. Over time, reduced social media habits also improve sleep, mood, and overall productivity, because your brain is less overloaded with constant stimulation.